Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody. Alright, finally I went to the doctor now. They put me in a cast. This is now the real cast, okay? They replace it what they put in the ER for temporary cast last time. So now the update is I'm gonna have this cast for 6 weeks. And then after 6 weeks I'm gonna go back and get an x-ray and see my doctor, so let's see what's gonna happen. Hope it I think my doctor said it doesn't really need a surgery, so I'm thankful for that. To all of you that pray for my my arm, my fracture, thank you so very much. Okay, today I can't use this. It's hard. I can bend, but I can't really see. It's really hard. Okay, so it's just like a cement. So what I'm gonna do right now is just a simple meal for my husband. He wanted a cream of mushroom. Okay, one kind of cream of mushroom, and then put half. I put half cup of water and half cup of milk. And he wanted me to put some ramen, so I'm gonna put the ramen, but you don't need to put the do you call this, like the seasoning, okay? So for a better mushroom, I'm gonna put more mushroom. Some of them are already gone bad, so I'm gonna put some mushroom, fresh mushroom. Okay guys, so it will have more mushroom on it, and you can taste the mushroom, fresh mushroom. I'm gonna put few pieces. I'm just gonna cut them. They are still good. It just turned a little brown, but they are still good. So this is all I can do right now. So mainly I only just done a little bit help from my fingers on the right, and I'm gonna use my left hand, and non-dominant. I'm a right-handed. Alright guys, so there you go. I just put few pieces. I put 3, 6, 7 pieces of mushroom. Wash it off and then slice it in small pieces, okay? Now our 1 can, I'm gonna put our 1 can now on the pot. 1 can of cream of mushroom. If you don't have milk, guys, it's okay to put. Normally they put one cup. This same 1 can of water. Use the same can of the cream of mushroom. So, but I like to put a little bit more milk, or half and half. So I'm gonna put half cup of water and half cup of milk. So I'm gonna put it now over there. So since I got still a lot of stuff in here, so I'm gonna put half in here, half cup, okay? There. So then I'm just gonna scrape all the leftovers inside the can. You okay?
Yes.
Right, and then put it in there. There you go. So there's that. You can put a little bit more water in if you not enough water. If you're using milk, okay? Because sometimes it's not enough liquid on it. So there's that. Just simple, guys, that I can do for my husband. So I'm just gonna use my left hand, using my my right hand to just push a little bit. My fingers to push a little bit from the mushroom to cut it, and just put it in the pot. So it will thinly slice, guys, but I can't use my right hand, so I just gonna cut. However, I can cut the mushroom, okay? So there you go. So, I'm right-handed, guys, but I learned how to use my left arm, my non-dominant arm. There you go. It's not a nice cut, but it's still mushroom is mushroom for now. There's nothing I can do for that right now because of my fractured arm. So let's cut it in small pieces. Slice like that. Yeah, even though it's in the package, wash it, okay, before you cook it. In the future, I'll show you how to make a creamy cream of mushroom on a scratch, not in a can. Right there. Okay, I can't. It doesn't really. Can't move my arm. And I'm thankful that the auto technician that put my cast is our friend. Very, very nice guy. He took care of me very well. Well, they are all very caring too. Both of us, me and my husband. They are not happy to see me getting the cast, but there's nothing we can do about that for right now. But to have friends that care about us is really important. So I'm just gonna wait until it's cooked. It's boiling now, the cream of mushroom. Alright. And now I'm gonna put the ramen, okay? The instant noodles ramen. And my husband likes me to crack it. You don't need, you don't put the seasoning of the instant ramen, okay, or the instant noodles, any kind of instant noodles. Do not use the seasonings, okay? Leave it there, okay. I'm gonna put it now in the pot. It's in the pot now. So probably approximately 5 minutes maybe, and 10 minutes maybe. Sorry guys, it's a mess in my kitchen right now. So that's what I'm cooking right now, the cream of mushroom with the noodles for my husband's lunch. Because he just want me to be easy. So let's wait for another 5 to 10 minutes. And then the noodles will be ready. Cream of mushroom noodles. So let's take care of that. And so anyways guys, my arm, it takes a little while to heal up. Hopefully it will heal up by itself without any cooking for the doctor to do. Hopefully by then, on 6 weeks, hopefully I can be free with this cast and I can use again my right arm. I'm hoping. So, and guys, I'm gonna give you a tip. You know, when I fell and I twisted my arm, I ignored it. I didn't go to the emergency room right away because I thought it's just fine and it's not severe, but it turned out that I really got a fracture. I fractured my wrist. It's so hard when you can't do much in here. So I'm gonna turn that down to medium high. Now it's almost ready. Okay, there you go. It's almost ready. The mushroom soup. So just that's all I'm gonna give my husband as his lunch. Oops, sorry guys. See how hard when you use your non-dominant arm? That's why you have to be careful, guys, with yourselves, okay? Because accident happens all the time. There you go. Only 8 minutes after I put the noodles. It only takes 15 minutes including the preparation. Okay. There you go. It's now a cream of mushroom noodle soup. There you go, guys. I'm gonna put now in the... Let's put it... Okay, let's put it in the bowl now. Sorry, guys. Put it in the bowl. My husband is gonna be ready. There you go. Sorry, guys. I got a lot of stuff that is not supposed to be. Alright, there you go. And we got our cream of mushroom noodle soup. I can't stand that anymore. So, I put some there. So there you go, guys, my cream of mushroom. Sorry for the mess. So it's here. There you go. It's really, really good. And there you go. Try it sometimes, guys. It's very easy, if you, especially with your just a can of cream of mushroom, put noodles, and if you have fresh mushroom, easy, super easy, and it's really, really good. Alright, guys, there you go. So thank you, guys, for your time again. Thank you for praying for me that I won't need a surgery. So see you later, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless you all the time, and pray all the time, okay? I haven't get sleep. I couldn't sleep with my arm. Very painful, excruciating pain. So I'm just gonna try to take it easy. Alright, guys, as you can see, my eyes, I don't feel good at all. And then my chronic nerve pain is really killing me with this pain. So bye, guys, see you next time. Love you all. Hug and kisses to everybody. Love, love, love. Happy New Year again to all of you. See you next time, guys. Bye.